The Veise Keyless Entry Lock offers the convenience of a keyless system, featuring multiple access options, including 20 password codes and 2 spare keys, making it ideal for any household. This lock set includes an auto lock feature that can be adjusted to lock between 10 to 99 seconds, along with a one-touch lock option for quick and easy access. Designed with a backlit keypad and additional features like a low battery alert and mute mode, this lock seamlessly integrates with both traditional and modern home aesthetics. Constructed with a durable lock cylinder and alloy, the ANSI Grade 3 smart door lock ensures robust security while being powered by 4 AA batteries that last over a year. Installation is straightforward and can be completed within minutes using just a screwdriver, making it compatible with all American standard doors, whether left or right-handed. The oil-rubbed bronze finish of this lock not only adds to its aesthetic appeal, but also enhances its resistance to water and environmental elements.